Okay. Everybody, welcome to Thrive Labs, the best place to learn everything about technical analysis and the financial markets. I am urging you to watch this video right now till the end because we are finally seeing some progression in the chart. And what I'm going to do with this video, I'm going to have your back and give you a short, sweet, powerful update on the Bitcoin price action so that you know exactly what we are looking for, not only for myself, but also within the trading community, and what levels are next should we finally clear out of this local range. Without further ado, let's just get started and let's take a look at Bitcoin. Leave a like, subscribe, hit the bell notification button because these updates are time sensitive and well, you need to be aware of it, so you need to watch it as quick as you can. So you need to press that bell button. You need it because that is the only way how you get this type of information in a timely manner. All right, let's look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin. Overall, on the macro picture, you see a bunch of lines downstairs, but we can get rid of all of that. We can just really make it simple here. Bitcoin is in an uptrend, period. For the duration that I have this channel, that we started up this channel, which was in January 2023, I already in the very first ever live stream that I done at that time, I was talking about the fact that $50,000 is the biggest resistance on the entire chart. If we trade above that, then there is a possibility of traveling towards higher prices as long as the structure remains intact. Now, what have we gotten? We did tap this $50,000. Well, I would class it pretty much tapped. It is a front run. Let's be honest. We topped out at $49,000. But, you know, looking at it on such a high time frame scale, we did tap that particular level and saw a 21% retracement from that point onwards. But then something different happened as we were trading towards $40,000, which at the time and still is till the day of today is very important support. We started actually bouncing, reclaiming, changing that market structure and making a new high. Now that is the context, and as you can see, we have an alert going off here on the local price action. So let's just speed things up so that I can get this information out to you for free over here in a timely manner. So essentially what I'm saying here, Bitcoin since then has topped out at around $53,000, and since then we have seen a little bit of a retracement where Bitcoin has been traveling downwards, but doing so in diluted volume, or in other words, one could say that we are pretty much in a bear flag. And as you can see, an alert has gone up because we are reaching the top of this channel while we are taking out these highs. Now, if we manage to actually see a candle close outside of this channel, then the probabilities increase significantly for us to see higher prices and ultimately perhaps breaking further to the upside, as that is and will remain the highest probability as long as we simply do not lose structure. Now, at what point would I actually become worried? Well, I've also prepared that for you, so let me actually inform you of that. This will remain relevant no matter if we do close out or in of this channel. There's essentially two levels that you really need to be aware of, which is a weekly level here set at 52,150, marking out one of the larger resistances within this local price action, a fresh weekly level build up from lower time frame resistances, but we also have a value area high slightly above us, giving us right here, right now, actually this little resistance point as we are breaching into this level. And now it is just a matter, do we see this level breached, or are we holding this and re-establishing this as resistance? That is yet to be seen. Perhaps we will even see this in the video. And as we can see, let's just use the opportunity anyway, right? While making this video anyway, we are currently not necessarily seeing a very big reaction. So what do I do then? I'm instantly just moving on to the next level, which here is the value area high of this entire range, right? And this is pretty much a resistance region where I expect a reaction of price to come in. That rejection would validate itself if we start trading back into the channel that we've already constructed just a little bit earlier. Otherwise, simply higher prices are to come. And as you can see, very technical over here, this downward sloping channel. Now, when would this trend be undone? Well, to be fair, I would really accept a pretty large drop to the downside and still not change my ideas of wanting to see higher prices, because first of all, we need to lose essentially $50,000. That would give us our very first idea of some local weakness on the chart where we can look for a slightly deeper retracement, perhaps even all the way to 45,500, which is important support. But if we lose that level, so, you know, basically what I'm saying here, we can literally drop all the way to $45,000 and still remain bullish overall on the chart, right? And this would then be a slightly higher time frame dip that I personally will be looking to buy. Now, obviously, as you can see, you've seen a little glimpse on how we approach here these key levels as we are trading this into a live type of price action. Simply the next, we are now locally through this weekly level where we have the confluence here with the golden pocket. If we utilize our Fibonacci pool correctly, marking out that high over here towards this low, breaching our resistance region, currently trading literally right in the middle of it, right where now that we've passed the weekly level, I'm looking for one level higher here at the value area high. Now, if we start reclaiming that, then we can look at the market structure highs that price already created for us, such as these highs at $53,000. And if we actually reclaim that, yeah, well, then simply the trend remains up, is confirmed that it has the strength to travel further up, and we can explore future and higher prices, such as $54,000, where we have some Fibonacci extension confluence, all derived from technical analysis, and much higher up we have, in my opinion, bigger and better and stronger resistances coming in here at around this daily level. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this is a small, short update as promised on the price action of Bitcoin. As you can see, we dived a little bit already in the local price action. We are constructing the chart very, very methodological. We are having our levels. If we simply breach a level, simply looking for the next level. If that level doesn't give a reaction, we simply look for the next level that comes afterwards. And we do that until we finally see the price action that we want to see for a failure at these kind of levels. And we can look at that based off of order flow, for example. And this and all of that, if this explanation became a little bit too complicated for you, then see this as a small little insight on what it is like if you have fully mastered technical analysis and can read the chart like on the back of your hand. And if you want to learn more about this, if you want to master this as well, if this inspires you to also learn this so that you can get that confidence and find these kind of levels and trade setups that come with that all by yourself, then go to our website. The link is in the description below. Check it out and join our community where I and our members are more than happy to welcome you with a very warm greeting, as we all are. And the members are all on the same journey towards that consistent and profitable end result. And for those who are already consistent and profitable, there's always something to maximize and to tweak to become even better and more efficient in the results that you find. That and more, this is what we teach in Thrive Labs each and every single day. So if that is of your interest, check out the website, sign up for a membership, and I'm much very happy to receive you with a warm welcome and to guide you through the daily price action just in the way as I've just shown you just now at this level. Take care, everyone. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.